Respect isn't something you demand, it's something you earn. The desire to be respected is universal, but many people go about it the wrong way, chasing approval, dominating others, or pretending to be someone they're not. True respect comes from authenticity, strength of character, and consistency. If you want to be respected by everyone, you need to build yourself into someone who commands it, not through fear, but through integrity, clarity, and unwavering purpose. Let's break this teaching into 5 powerful, life-changing pillars that will transform how the world sees you, and more importantly, how you see yourself. 1. Master self-respect first. You teach others how to treat you by the way you treat yourself. If you don't respect your own time, values, or voice, why should anyone else? Self-respect is the root of all outer respect. It begins by setting boundaries without guilt, speaking your truth even when your voice shakes, not settling for less than you deserve in relationships, work, or life. When people see that you live by your principles and won't tolerate disrespect from yourself or others, they'll begin to treat you accordingly each day. Make one decision that reinforces your self-worth, even if it's hard. Number 2. Speak less, deliver more. Respect follows those who lead with action, not noise. Talk is cheap, but consistent follow-through is rare and powerful. Whether you're trying to build respect at work, in your family, or in your social circle, become the person who gets things done. Under-promise, over-deliver. Let your results speak volumes. You don't need to shout your value. Let your excellence become unignorable. Identify one area where you've been talking more than acting. Shift gears. Let results become your voice. Third, stand for something bigger than yourself. People respect those who are guided by values, not just emotions or trends. When you have a clear mission, something bigger than just making money, gaining followers, or being liked, you develop moral authority. Whether it's honesty, justice, compassion, discipline, or service, when people see that you stand for something consistently, even under pressure, they trust you. And trust is the seed of lasting respect. Define your top 3 core values. Then ask, am I living these values daily? Number 4, control your emotions, especially under fire. The most respected people are the ones who stay calm in chaos. Anyone can be kind when things are easy. Anyone can smile when they're winning. But when you remain composed in the face of disrespect, insult, or adversity, you demonstrate power. Not the power to intimidate, but the power to remain centered. That's rare. That's magnetic. You don't have to react to everything. Don't take the bait. When you don't let people pull you out of your peace, you show them you're in control, not them. Practice pausing before reacting. Respond with intention, not impulse. 5. Give respect, but don't beg for it. Respect is a two-way street, but it's not a begging ground. Respecting others shows strength, not weakness. But chasing validation or approval will always destroy your power. You don't need everyone to like you. You need to like yourself enough to not need constant reassurance. Be kind, be fair, be firm. Respect others from a place of wholeness, not from insecurity. And if someone refuses to return it, walk away with your dignity intact. That is the ultimate show of strength. Stop explaining yourself to people who are committed to misunderstanding you. Choose peace over performance. So build yourself, master yourself, honor your word. Keep your vision high and your standards higher. And when you live like that, everyone else will rise to meet you. Now go earn the respect the world owes to no one, but gives to those who deserve it.